Hi viewers, welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Today we're going to look at phrases for saying if something is easy or difficult. Come along with me. Sometimes we want to say some things are difficult or some things are easy, but we don't really know how to say it. These are some phrases for saying something is easy and difficult in Nigerian Pidgin English. Na moi moi, na mai mai, na small thing. Anyone fit do am. No be big deal. E hard. E take style hard. E tough die. No be mai mai. No be moi moi. E dey demanding die. So with these few phrases, you can say if something is easy for you, always difficult in Nigerian Pidgin English. That will be the wrap for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit me up in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.